Hey Vibes fam, welcome back to my channel where good food and some good vibes is a must. Roping back to another video. Today we'll be making some coffee ice cream, my second favorite ice cream. And here are my ingredients that I will be using. So here I have 3 tablespoons of coffee and I'm using 2 tablespoons of water, so lukewarm water, so that it can dissolve. Look at it dissolving fast. You can use hot water and then I guess you can set it aside, right, just to cool a little bit, right? So let's twirl it around, let's give it a mix, right, to try to dissolve the coffee. If you are not a coffee lover, like you don't really like it strong, though this is not too strong, but you can use 2 tablespoons of coffee to the two tablespoons of water. So here I have 600 mils of double cream, or you can use whipping cream, right? And I'm trying to get all of it. Of course, I need all of my double cream. Yes, I need it all. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm going to use my hand mixer, my electric hand mixer. I mean, if you want to use a whisk, go ahead. It's gonna be a lot of work though, Vibes fam, a lot of work. So if you can, oopsie daisy. If you can get yourself an electric mixer or a standing mixer, then go ahead. But yeah, just go and give this a mix. So what we're trying to achieve, we're trying to get it to just be a little bit thick or creamy. Let's use the word creamy, right? We just want to get it creamy. So what I'm going to do, give it a mix, and then, okay, so as it's approaching creamy, I'm going to go ahead and add my coffee, and look at that pretty color. That color is so pretty. Oh my goodness. So pretty, and it smells so good in the kitchen. If you're a coffee lover, if you like the smell of coffee, you know what I'm talking about. So yes, we're gonna go ahead and we're going to mix this, right? We're trying to achieve creamylization. So let's get it to nice and cream. Do you see the thickness of oh, that looks so good. It looks so thickalicious. Okay, so stop the mixer, put that aside, and we're going to scrape out the rest of our coffee, because of course we're not wasting anything. I am not about that waste life. I don't leave nothing in any of my container. We're getting it all. So let's go back to the mixity mix, right, and try to get to the creamy cream. So so mix up, no blender. We not deal with mix up and blender. We only mix and mix to get creamy, right? So yes, go ahead and mix that. Ooh, do you see that? Ooh, do you see? Ooh, that looks so good. It's approaching, it's reaching. So what I'm gonna do, I'm going to put down the hand mixer like when I am basically there. So this is it. This look like perfection. So stop it, right? And now I'm going to add the condensed milk. I'm gonna sweeten it. So this is a little less than half of the tin of condensed milk. So basically just you can try to add like a third of a cup and see, and then mix it up and see how that is for you. Taste it and see if in terms of it being sweet or not so sweet, how is it for you, right? So yes, go ahead and mix this up. We're going to be using a spoon from here, because we don't want to over mix. We just, oh, look at creamy body. Yes, we just want it to be nice and creamy and thick and that looks so good. Yes, come true. It's all about my creamy body coffee ice cream. Come true creamy. So yes, give it a mix and we're going to give it a taste. And if it needs more condensed milk, then add it. But of course, I don't need any more. I'm adding some salt. So Vibes fam, a pinch of salt. So because of course we are working with milk, right? We need to just add a pinch of salt just to make sure that our tummy stays nice and safe, right? So add a pinch of salt, give it a stir, and yes, taste. Vibes fam, taste. So even after you add the salt, taste. Oh, look, yes. Look at the creamy cup, run it over. The creaminess of it all, run it down. Look, yes. Oh, yes, Lord. Oh, I feel it. Hey, I feel a spirit. I feel a creamy spirit. So yes, Vibes Fam, give it a nice little stir again. Make sure you get all the condensed milk and everything combined together. So here I have my, what do you call this? My glass bowl, and I will be pouring it. Ooh, my little glass Pyrex dish, and I'll be pouring it in it. If you have a plastic container, if you have a cream dish that you had ice cream in, you can just pour it in there into whatever, anything that has a cover, or if it doesn't have a cover, then you can use cling film or anything like that just to cover it. So yeah, Vibes Fam, get all of your ice cream. By the way, look how nice and creamy it is, Vibes Fam. Think about it. When your ice cream melt, this is the creaminess that will be just running down your hand, or just yes. So cover it and put it in your fridge for at least 6 hours, 4 hours. I mean, just test it and see if it is ready. So let's open it. Oh, look at good. Yes, look at smooth. Check it out, check it out. Oh, yes, nice and smooth. Now let's scoop to this scoop. We're gonna scoop it up. Listen, Vibes Fam, the struggle was real. I was trying to get a good angle. But because I wanted you guys to see it just curling up into my little scooper. But of course, it didn't really happen how I wanted it to happen. But yes, but look at smooth. Look at smooth as I scoop it. Look at smooth as I scoop it. Anyway, that's it. I just wanted you to see a little bit of it. So let's put it in my little bowl, and then I'm going to serve it. Are you ready? Are you ready? And Vibes Fam, here we have it. Here we have a nice bowl of what? Coffee ice cream. My favorite, well, my second favorite ice cream, right? Devon Stout or Dragon Stout, whatever you want to call that. That's my favorite. That's number one. And then I normally have it, well, when I'm in Jamaica, that is, I normally have it with some coffee ice cream. But here I can always find coffee ice cream. So when I go out, yes, I'm gonna order coffee ice cream. And Vibes Fam, this, it gonna lead. Gonna lead. I'm telling you, send this to everybody. Send this recipe to everybody. Send it to Auntie Pringles. Ask her to make it for you. By the way, you don't have to sprinkle the little coffee on top of it. That's only if you like the strongness of some coffee, right? If you don't, then don't do it. Just make it as is, and then just have it your way. Yes, the creaminess of it all, but it's so good, Vibes Fam. Please indulge or comment down below and tell me, would you make it? But thank you so much for watching and for hanging out with me. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and head over Instagram and follow me. Thank you. God bless you.